situate myself before we begin. Okay. Wow, glad I look so great today.
Right?
Okay. So, go.
I'm Brianna.
And I'm Andy, and we're here to tell you about type 1 diabetes. If you suffer from
Ouch. I'm Brianna. That was super funny.
Okay, ready?
I'm Brianna. No, still laughing. Okay.
Okay.
Not this
Not
one.
that one.
It was the white one, or black one.
I'm black.
Everything's funnier because I know it's recording.
I know. Okay.
Oh, sorry, I started. Totally forgot. I'm Brianna.
Forgot my name. Okay, I'm ready now.
I'm Brianna.
And I can't do this.